Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make not at all mushy or sticky or lumpy whole wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan by arresting the process of gluten formation and in actual cooking time. But before that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions, presumptions and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. This is whole wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan, and this is what they look like. On the rear of the package is mentioned that this product is made of hard wheat and contains gluten. Also mentioned are two recipes. My recipe of vegetable vermicelli or Seviyan is mentioned in brief hints in white and pink color combination letters. Link to the detailed recipes mentioned in the description. My question is how to arrest the formation of gluten before it makes the vermicelli Seviyan mushy, sticky and lumpy. And this is the process that I wish to demonstrate. So let's start. Yes, stir fry. This is the first step of the process. Add some oil, any cooking oil of your choice, and then add whole wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan. Now the idea behind this is that moisture, if any, must be released one. And when you stir fry, it does not allow gluten to be formed. 2. And oil coats the vermicelli or Aata Seviyan and restricts the formation of gluten later on. As such, at present, no gluten is going to be formed. Keep a good look at the timer above. This is the actual time that you have to stir fry for. And occasionally, yes, but continuously, we have to stir the wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan. Otherwise, they will stick to the bottom and burn out and give a bitterish taste. So keep a good look at the clock above, and a little later the color of the vermicelli or Seviyan will change and a fragrance will be observed in the air, and you'll notice that vermicelli or Aata Seviyan become crisp in nature and a woody knocking sound is observed. Now, almost done, and vermicelli or Aata Seviyan coated with oil. Now switch off the flame and now remove the vermicelli or Aata Seviyan and spread it on a plate so that it loses its heat and the cooking process comes to a halt. When the vermicelli has cooled, we start on with the second process, that is boiling. Allow the temperature of the water to reach 95 degree or 203 degree Fahrenheit. Add some salt and some oil and add the wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan. And look at that clock again. Keep a good look on the clock. Why? Because when wheat flour or atta meets water, gluten starts forming. So we have to be very careful with the timing of the boiling or this second step. And stirring is definitely required intermittently, and the water must come to a boil and stir. And now let's check. There, looks very well done and is 85 to 90% done, and that's what is required. So it's time to switch off the heat. And well, the process has not stopped as yet. So immediately strain the hot water from the seviyan or the vermicelli, and when you have strained the water, throw the water away, discard it. And again, I had to do it twice because of the quantity. Now, when done, now rinse the wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan with cool water, or preferably cold or chilled water. There, done once and done twice if need be. And if the vermicelli or Aata Seviyan is hot, you can do it even more times. And when vermicelli or Aata Seviyan is cool, again lay them out on a steel plate, a final rinse before that, and lay them out, spread them out on a steel plate, and add some oil and mix lightly, but mix well, ensuring that vermicelli or Aata Seviyan have been coated well. So there, our second process is now finished. Now, our third process, combining with the vegetables. These are the vegetables and the spices that I have used. But most important, process the vegetables till they are 90% done. And then combine the wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan and mix lightly. And this process will now completely cook the wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan. Mix well and keep a good look at the timer, because remember, the moisture and formation of gluten, well, this step has to be as quick as possible. And a final stir, and looks beautiful, isn't it? Well, yes, our dish is certainly done very well. Now switch off the flame, and now to plate. And look at that, beautifully cooked wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan. Serve and enjoy the not at all lumpy, sticky or mushy wheat flour vermicelli or Aata Seviyan with all you know, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.